that was the plan actually, but, good to see that Pakistan, came back from behind and actually reached the final. So I think it sets up, it gives it more spice to the encounter, but from India's players' point of view, I think it doesn't hold as much of a pressure as Pakistan would be feeling, because I think they've got India is playing with 12 people, because one of our 12th man is Mohsin Naqvi, who's putting pressure on Pakistan players. He's hovering around the team, he's at the practice. So I think that will work against their team, because that kind of pressure, and that he brings a lot of backstory to the match. And I think if players from Pakistan can just focus on the game and not the excess baggage, I think they will do well.
And what about Abhishek Sharma, the kind of form he is in right now?
Well, before it was son-in-law of Sharma ji and R. Sharma ji, Rohit and Virat, used to give them nightmares, the same bowlers, and now we've got this new Sharma and Gill, so I think that, his process is carried on. But, it is not saying that he will get runs every match, because the way he bats, if he gets going, then he puts India in a very solid platform. But even if he fails, then we've got a lot of depth. In this tournament, every game, the openers have given us a start, so law of averages may be against us. But even if we lose them early, and it is not as if that he will fail. I think he's done very well. He's made a mark on the international scene, and I think he's got a very bright future. I don't think so. I think he's, this is the maturity of Indian cricket team, where we can afford to bench number one bowler in the world, because we have realized and we have decided that we'll go with the horses for courses. And I think that is the maturity of any team. I think if the conditions are such that even if he has to sit out, I think that'll be the best. I think don't fix something that is not broken. So I think we have got a solid plan. And we've got plan A, plan B. So I think it won't. I will never tinker with the team at such a crucial juncture.
One final question, sir. What will be the perfect score to chase or to put up on the board?
There is no such thing as perfect. And the conditions are that maybe some dew will come. So I think batting second will have an advantage. But Pakistan knows that when they're chasing, they bring the scoreboard pressure also along with it. So they will not like to chase. But it'll be an interesting game. I would love to see how Pakistan approaches. Their attitude and their approach to the game and their body language at the start will be crucial.